my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first vlog I've done in a while. Well, I think all my videos are basically vlogs. So this is going to be a video of walking down a trail right now. We're going to see a waterfall, which is going to be totally cool. So it's a lot of stairs to get down because it's like high up, but we're going to the bottom of it. So I'll get you on the flip side. So we're now down by the waterfall, and I think it'll be cooler if I just do a montage. So here you go. Hi guys. I'm on this big cliff right now. If you can see, see all that down there. Pretty dope, huh? If you go to my Instagram, you can see all the photos that I took from this and different stuff on this trail. But it's really cool. So just go to Dylan Anderson Photography. You can check it out. I don't know if this will be the end of the video. Let's see if we can find any more cool trails, but this is super cool.